Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off in qualification match number 4. Already we have Ratchet Rockers scoring 1 coral. They've reached their human player station, receive another, scoring a second, and we'll see if they can get a third with 5 seconds left. Over on red, we have all three robots out, and Ursula and Robotics also looking to see if they can advance scoring efforts for blue. High score coming out of auto. We have 31 points for blue, 9 for red, with just about 2 minutes and 10 seconds left in our match. Already, we have Ratchet Rockers collecting a coral, collecting an algae, placing a piece of coral, putting the algae into their processor, and cycling back to their human player station to potentially do it again. Alliance partners for red putting some algae into their barge. Actually, it was the human player for red taking that processed algae and scoring it for their alliance, putting 4 points onto the red side of the score. Over on the red side of the field, we have Dirt scoring in T1 and their alliance partner 67-44 doing some cycles from their human player station to their reef and seeing if they can score onto T3, it looks like. Dirt now decided to collect a piece of algae. Whoa, it gets under their robot a little bit. They corral it, lose it, and looks like they're going to see if they can corral it again. They decide not to. Ratchet Rockers coming over onto the red side of the field, scoring into the processor for red a piece of algae. That's an interesting move. Potentially, they are looking to get the cooperation bonus for both alliances by themselves. We have about 1 minute and 5 left, a score of 65 for blue and 37 for red as things start to wind down in our match. Looks like we have another processed algae for the blue alliance from Ratchet Rockers as they continue their interesting cycle of human player station, reef, grab a piece of algae, put it in the processor, and do it all over again as they look to complete 5 pieces of coral on each level. Looks like they have 5 on T4, 6 now, potentially 5 on T3, and 4, maybe 5 on T2 as things wind down. They collect another piece of algae, doing an interesting cycle. Looks like they didn't quite score on that one, process another piece of algae for their alliance, and go back through their cycle. We have about 30 seconds left, a score of 105 for blue to 43 for red as things start to wind down. Lots of coral on. Dirt looks like they might be figuring out which one to go after to see if they can put it onto their reef. 20 seconds left in the match. We have 74-52, seeing if they can line up for potentially a deep hang with their alliance partner Melville. Seems like they might be trying to do the same. Both robots appear to be parked. We'll see if they can hang, and we have 1, maybe 2 robots parked for red. No robots have climbed as our clock hits 0. 121 for it's blue, our blue alliance. Qualification match number 4, they are our winners with a new high score of 125 points for our regional. Congratulations to our blue alliance, earning 3 ranking points. They looks like did not receive a bonus for having all 3 robots out of their